Hello friends, welcome back to our channel The Learning Age, where we try to touch upon real practical problems and come up with a very mathematical solution for the same. Our today's topic is budget, tax and investment. So here we have come up with an illustration where you can budget your monthly income and expenses, come out with savings for the same. You can calculate your taxes under different income tax regime under different heads of income and deductions that are available to you. We have also prepared a summary of deductions wherein for FY 24-25 to give you a overview of what all deductions can be availed to help you better manage your taxes. At the same time, for investment, we have come up with a table wherein we can give you a real-time update on what would be your return on a lump sum investment or return via SIP mode. Here you can vary the IRR and see the different outcomes. So this will help you be independent enough, calculate your uh, projections on your own and not be dependent on some videos where the numbers are just highlighted and glorified, where you are not aware on the negative outcomes of the same as well. So we hope you like this. Please do mention in the comments next topics that you would like us to touch upon. The link to buy the sheet is shared in the description below, and happy to help you all and looking forward for related topics that we can work upon. Thank you very much.